Welcome to AgriShare. Farming has always relied on community support, and now sharing agricultural resources with your neighbors is as simple as opening an app. This platform is designed for two groups: owners who have equipment sitting idle and want to generate extra income, and farmers who need temporary access to machinery without the high cost of a purchase. On the main dashboard, you will find two primary pathways: rent equipment and list equipment. This guide will walk you through both, from posting your first resource to successfully booking the tools you need for your next project. Being able to both provide and use shared resources makes your operation more flexible. It means you can access a regional pool of equipment rather than being limited to what you can afford to buy and maintain yourself. To start as a provider, select the option to list new equipment directly from your dashboard. You will first be asked to categorize your resource. For this example, we are navigating to Land and Real Estate and selecting Farmland. In the Basic Information section, provide a specific property name and a description detailing the asset's condition. Note the green Pro Tip box. Including details like soil type and water access helps potential renters make decisions and increases booking rates. Precise categories and thorough descriptions are your first tools for establishing clarity and trust with a renter before they ever visit the site. Next, on the Add Photo screen, on-screen tips suggest clear photos from multiple angles are necessary. You can use your camera or gallery. Here we've uploaded two clear views of our farmland. On the Pricing and Terms screen, choose your billing model. We selected Fixed Price. Enter your rate, $250,000, and then select the billing unit. We set this as per acre per year. In Step 5, set the physical location of the asset. We entered Kamuli, Eastern. Finally, look over the Listing Summary box to confirm your details, then tap Publish Listing. Once submitted, the AgriShare team will verify your post. You will see this confirmation screen when your listing is officially sent for review. Completing these steps accurately ensures your equipment moves from an idle asset to an active listing as quickly as possible. Now, let's switch perspectives to finding equipment. Return to your dashboard to enter the marketplace. The Browse Equipment feed shows you everything currently available in the community, from tractors and water pumps to specialized labor services. To save time, use the Filter tool. You can set a price range or select a specific category, such as Land and Real Estate, to see only the items that fit your project. Using these filters helps you quickly identify the exact tools required for your current seasonal tasks without having to search through irrelevant listings. When you find the right item, like this 214 water pump, tap it to see the full details and photos. If it meets your needs, tap Book Now. Use the calendar to select your start and end dates. Here, we've highlighted July 16th and 17th for a 2-day rental. The Booking Option screen shows you exactly what you are paying, itemizing the base rental cost and the platform fee for a total of 21,000 UGX. Review the summary one last time. Check the box to agree to the rental terms, and select Create Booking to send your request to the owner. You will see a Booking Requested message. Notice the What's Next section. Payment is only processed through your dashboard after the owner reviews and approves your request. This approval-based system ensures that your funds are only committed once the equipment owner has confirmed the machinery is ready for work. You are now ready to use AgriShare from both sides, listing your own assets for revenue and sourcing the machinery you need on demand. To continue, check the dashboard to see when your listings are verified and keep an eye on your notifications for updates on your booking requests. By listing what you have and renting what you need, you help ensure that tools in your area stay in use and are available to the people who need them most. Download AgriShare today to start connecting with your local farming network.
Share Uganda, your #1 agriculture app.